on my head. Get on my head. Get on my head.
Hi everyone. In this video, we're gonna take a look at this very first legendary Pokemon Mewtwo under the Pokemon Deformation toy line. I also got this for 480 pesos, so that's around $9.6. And now let's take a closer look. And now here's the box of Mewtwo. And as expected, we will be getting a Master Ball for this one. Then looking at the sides. Here. Then the back. So minus dents here. Then here's the top. And bottom. Now here's the instruction when transforming Mewtwo. So you can pause it here for your reference. And then we have a purple diorama for Mewtwo. And now here's the Master Ball. So I wish this part here is elevated, or it has the well-known lamp design. And just looking at the rest of it. So minus a dirt here. Even here. And similar to the Pokeball and Great Ball, this one has a diameter of almost 3 inches. And now here's the Master Ball alongside with the Great Ball and Pokeball. And these are all the Pokeballs available in the Pokemon Deformation toy line, where the Great Ball is from Gyarados, and the Pokeball is from other non-legendary Pokemons. And just showing you the Master Ball when there's a light in front of it. And now let's take a look at Mewtwo. Now looking at the head, for me there's something off with the lower half of the head. It has this cute cheeky feature, which I think should not be the case. So as you can see here, there's a contour on the cheek area. Here. Maybe a jawline would be more appropriate. And for the nose, it has this deep contour. Here. That's why it doesn't have the triangular or pointy shape or look here. Then for the horns, it should not be cylindrical in shape. It should be flat and has tip pointing backwards. And then for the eyes, I don't really have issues with them. Maybe some imperfection on the black part here, but that's fine with me. And then just going through the head again in case I missed some angles. Here are the sides. The back. And the top. Then for the joint part on the neck, I wished it's purple, similar to the skin tone of Mewtwo. And that's the case for the other joints actually, here. Now for the upper body, my issue is that it's very deep. Here. This part should be shallow, almost in line with the shoulder area. For the chest, I don't have any issues with the shape or sculpting. And then for the stomach area, there's a visible peg hole here. I wish they placed it a little lower. And now here are the arms. So I don't have any issues with them, except again on the joints here, which are in different color. Here. And then there is this right or left indication at the back. Here. And here. I hope you can see that one. So these are also my indication which side is the front. It's because when articulating Mewtwo or transforming him, the front side and back side tends to shift. So as you can see here, the R is now in front. So just moving it back. Now for the hands, my issue is that they are very big. here. I don't have any issues with the lower body, even on the legs, except again on the joint piece here, which is in different color. Now for the feet, they are not in a tiptoe position, so it's flat from the toe to the heel. Then just looking at the sides, the back part, then the bottom of the feet. And then here's the back. So we have this tube from the head to the back, so that's nice. I just wish that this lower back is thinner, because when looking at the sides, it's a bit off on this part here. And then just looking at the tail, so again, this joint piece here is in different color. And then just going over Mewtwo again. So here are the sides. Here. The back. The top. And bottom. For the articulation, the head can look up this far with minimum effort. It cannot look down. It can barely look left or right. The shoulders can move up this far. The shoulders can also rotate 360. The elbows can move outward this much and inward this far. Here. The hands can rotate 360. The body can move all the way to the back, but an acceptable movement is maybe this much only. The legs can kick forward or backward. The feet can move up or down. It can also move left or right. And it can also tilt in any direction. Here. For the tail, you can move it sideways or up or down. Mewtwo stands around 4.75 inches. And then from tail to the body, it's around 4.25 inches. And now here's Mewtwo alongside with other Generation 1 Pokemon that are available in the same toy line. Starting from the left, we have Venusaur, Charizard, Blastoise, Pikachu, Psyduck, Gyarados, and Eevee. Now let's put Mewtwo in the Master Ball. First is to bend the head backwards, followed by the upper body, all the way until it fits here, in this area. Like this. Then rotate the tail forward. Then insert this part in this hole here. So here. Next is to move the legs backwards. Move the feet up and then rotate. Same on the other side. Rotate and bend the arms until you get this position. Because when you're on the wrong side, you cannot get that position. As you can see here. And then just fix these two parts until they close in together. Like this. Then just do it on the other side. So here. And now using the Master Ball, so here, we now have Mewtwo inside the Master Ball. And then just putting in different side. So here. And then just transforming him back. So here. So overall, I find some aspects of this figure different from the Mewtwo that we've seen in the games and in the anime. But still, this is a great addition to our collection. Especially that this is a legendary Pokemon that came with a Master Ball. And that's it in this review. Thank you everyone for watching. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It will help this channel a lot. Also, let me know in the comment section what do you think about this figure. So thanks again, and see you on my next review. Bye!
Get on my head. 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 Get on my head.